Here we have Noosy Pro 2 with Bluetooth wireless shutter. This is a universal selfie stick for many kind of smartphone devices. Let's open the package and see what's inside this box right now. In this box we got one wireless selfie stick, one phone holder, one detachable shutter, one safety band, charging cable, pouch, and user manual. We can easily strap this wireless shutter to the selfie stick. We also got one safety band, so in case the wireless selfie stick flip off your hand, you won't lose it. We only have to connect the smartphone to the end shutter, so then you can easily take the picture from that Bluetooth shutter. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. See you on the next video.